All right, I've got a really nice bad boy zero turn. This is a 48-inch commercial fabricated deck. This is what they call the 23 horsepower Z Pro series. It's also got the mulching kit on it. The nice kind of oversized seat, super comfortable. This thing rides really well. And then it's got your really big back tires along with your separate pump and drive system. So it's the full-blown commercial bad boy. It's also got the Vanguard motor with the big breather on top, so you know that this is the full-blown commercial motor. Everything about this thing is commercial grade. 2 gas tanks, one on each side, along with a cup holder over here on this side. It's got an hour meter. The hour meter reads, I think, 149 hours. This thing's well taken care of, and it looks great and operates great, but I would guess it probably has more than 149 hours on it. So I don't know if we can trust that hour meter. No smoke, no problems on the motor, anything like that. Let's try to think one more thing I was going to say. Oh, it's got the electric deck lift, so you can get it exactly the height that you want it. It's super easy to operate with that little toggle switch right there. Let's start this bad boy up and see how she goes. Choke it. Fires up every time. No shaking or vibration in the motor, no smoke. I'll idle it down for you. These Vanguards are great motors, man. They just keep on ticking. No smoke at idle, purrs like a sewing machine. And the hour meter, it's got an RPM on it. When it's running, it shows the RPMs. And this thing's kind of not idled up super high, which is better for the longevity of the motor and stuff. But you could run the idle up or the full throttle up a little bit more if you wanted to. Blades are here. Oh, e-brake. Forward, backwards, left, right. I got some tall grass right here. Deck adjustment, like I said, is this knob right here. You can see it adjust right there. That's pretty low. I don't know if that's going to scalp or not, but I want you guys to be able to see it cut well. Blades are right here. See, it cuts great. I scalped the top of this a little bit, which I knew I had it a little bit low, but wanted to make sure you could see it good in the video. I hit another little area over here. Cuts great. Blades. Idle her back down for you. No smoke, no problems. This thing's ready to go. Make a good mower for you.